supposed to take that. There was no business of me taking this course, but then I actually like wanted more flexibility. I wanted more time because Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Judith. I'm a registered nurse and a medical virtual assistant, and I'm so excited that you're here. This channel is where I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know about becoming a medical virtual assistant and my journey on how I was able to build a career as a medical virtual assistant. So before becoming a medical virtual assistant, I've always been a nurse and I've worked in a physical hospital. By the way, I loved my job. But then I actually wanted more flexibility. I wanted more time, more freedom, and I would say I actually wanted an opportunity to work remotely. But then I really want to leverage my healthcare skills in the remote field. And so I had to do some research about how I can be able to achieve this. And that was when I came across being a medical virtual assistant. And I had to do my research on it, but then because I had limited information about who a medical virtual assistant is, I was really skeptical about it. I didn't want to I was scared, I would say. I had to give it a try. And on the process, I really made a lot of mistakes. I really took a lot of courses I wasn't even supposed to take. That there was no business of me taking these courses. And at the same time, I wasn't even seeing half of the information, half of what I know now. And so that is why I created this channel, because I have walked this path. I had to figure many things on my own. I had to research, had to pay for some trainings. There were a lot of things I had to find out on my own, and I don't want you to go through that stress, that hassle. And so I created this channel so that when you come on YouTube to search for an information about becoming a medical virtual assistant, you can see a very clear information on that. So on this channel, I'll be sharing with you different tools a medical virtual assistant uses. So I'll also be walking you through EMR systems like OptiMantra, Dr. Chrono, and the rest of them. That is showing you step-by-step process on how you can navigate the EMR systems. Maybe you know them, you've gone through all of these EMRs on your own and you don't even know how they work. So on this channel, I'll be showing you how they work, and also different systems and different tools medical virtual assistants use for smooth workflows, how you can confidently build your career as the best med VA you can be out there, how you can build your portfolio, optimize your LinkedIn. Imagine you have a very good CV and a very good portfolio, and then your LinkedIn is nothing. And so I'm going to be teaching you how you can have the best LinkedIn profile out there, so that you could be able to attract people, attract clients from all over the world. So whether you're a nurse like me who wants to transition fully or partially, or you belong to another healthcare profession, or you are just someone who is completely coming from no healthcare background and you are interested in becoming a medical virtual assistant, then this channel is for you. I want you to hit that subscribe button, because this channel is different from every other channels you've seen out there, because I've actually walked this path and I want to walk you through so that you don't have to figure everything out on your own. Because we are all humans and we don't know it all, and so we need some people at some point in our lives to guide us through some certain phases of our lives. And so that is why I created this channel, so that I will guide you into becoming the best med VA you can be out there. So my goal is very simple. I just want to simplify everything for you so that you don't have to figure it out all on your own. If you are ready to learn the ins and outs of becoming the best med VA you can be out there, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video so that it will reach to a greater number of people. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop videos here on this channel every week, you can be able to get it, because I'll be dropping real values on this channel every week. Thank you so much for watching my very first video as a medical virtual assistant. I can't wait to take the journey with you while holding your hand to build a very rewarding and flexible career as a medical virtual assistant. Welcome again, and I will see you next week in my next one. Bye.